So it's around 3,000 square feet. It sits on the 14th green of this beautiful golf course. It has an oversized garage, which we'll get in there and take a look. Also, just note this this large pad here. Easy to have more than 2 vehicles, or turn a trailer around, whatever. All right. So right whenever you walk in, please know how just open it is, right? Just beautiful, massive, really tall ceilings throughout. The dining room has some slate tile, and everywhere else you look in here, in the main living spaces, it's just really beautiful hand scraped floor. So very nice, very good wood. Here you've got a massive office over to the left upon entry. There's storage just about everywhere. So you have an abundance of storage as we kind of go through. Of course, it opens up here to the living room, and the kitchen space is open as well. So we'll go this way first. You've got your garage. There's an upstairs media room above the garage, which we'll take a look at momentarily. There's the laundry space. We've got the kitchen here. Got your fridge alcove, 42-inch cabinets. It's got a nice height bar, granite, a gas stove with updated appliances. Has a pretty large pantry. Over here is your breakfast nook, a beautiful view out to the 14th hole, as well as their amazing pool here with high-end finishes. So as we cut through here, you'll see the living room space. I think the flow is pretty fantastic. Just a few other things, we've got gas logs over there. There are some ceiling speakers there. Let's go back here to, it's a split floor plan. So we have a couple of the bedrooms back here. Got that, and here's the full bath back here. And then the other guest bedroom back here. Bedrooms have crown molding. Love those little small details. Let's go take a look at the garage. And we'll pop up and see the media center. So, see what I mean here? You've got, whenever I say oversized, you have this lip really that can obviously accommodate some refrigerators or freezers. And it does have a couple of windows in here as well. It's almost like a tandem, but it's nice to have that extra space for sure. It comes in very useful. All right, hey, let's go upstairs, take a look at this media center space. So they did kind of a cloud ceiling in here. It's pretty neat. That perfect area for catching a game, or if the kids wanted to play some video games or something. It's pretty cool. Throw a fridge up here. It does have an air conditioner, of course, going to the room. Let's go see the primary bathroom and bedroom. This is where I kind of try to act like I'm not out of breath from just going up and down the stairs. Okay, so we have a half bath over here. And then whenever we round this corner, I do like the floor plan because it's split. Primary is off the other rooms. Anyways, go over here, and again, more in-ceiling speakers up there. I love the ceiling detail, crown molding. It's just beautiful. Overlooks this room. You can wake up and, have a beautiful backyard view and view of the 14th hole, or green really. Here's the primary bathroom. toilet space. There's the closet. Closet's pretty big. It does have a chandelier. Really tall ceilings, just a ton of space. There's a cedar closet back there. It goes, it's from about here to there. So pretty big. They don't use that, but you know, if you have a need for a cedar closet, then that could be your space. All right, continuing on. Let's go take a look at the backyard. All right, let's see the backyard. They have this beautiful covered patio with the ceiling fan. It's got a couple of built-in speakers back here, which is great. Really nice place to put a television. So you have some reprieve from the heat in the dog days of summer, but right now it feels wonderful out here for sure. And then a pool. There's a water feature there as well. This is just beautiful backyard. Take a look at the landscaping. They did kind of a xeriscaping thing, and it just looks fantastic. You can see the pin of the 14th. You can see the flag right there for it. So really neat. They also have this huge covered pergola with another fan out here. Again, it's just all about, you know, having the 9 months of summer it feels like we have here in Texas. It's beautiful. There is a gate back here to you know, go and access that area if you wanted to. There's also the path here is a golf cart path, so you can easily get in and out of this gate. And yeah, there is some side yard. I know for pets, we're always concerned about, you know, grass and stuff like that. I just want to point some of this out. So here's all their pool equipment, meticulously maintained. They have some automation going on there as well, which is nice. This side, though, has a nice amount of grass. So perfect. You know, they poured this pad. This is something that the current owners added. Just a great spot to have your smoker and some extra storage back here, and it didn't eat up into the grass too much. So definitely plenty of space there for your animals. And that is it. Beautiful house. Hope you like it.